There is a kind of silence that comes with death. Not the peaceful kind, the heavy kind. The kind that makes people avoid eye contact, delay phone calls, pretend everything is fine. There was a woman who used to check her bank account with fear, not because the number was zero, but because it was negative. Every notification felt like an accusation. Every bill felt like proof that she had failed. She didn't just feel broke, she felt small. She felt irresponsible, behind, less than. And what hurts the most was not the money, it was the shame. Because debt does not only take from the future, it takes from identity. It quietly whispers, "You should have known better. You are not good with money. You are not good enough." So people hide. They smile in public, they laugh in conversations, they say, "I'm okay." But inside, they are carrying numbers that feel like a verdict. This is the part few people talk about. Debt is not just financial, it is psychological. It changes how people see themselves. It creates a constant background noise of guilt, of regret, of self judgment. And slowly, a dangerous belief forms: I am my mistakes. But human beings are not spreadsheets. A balance does not define a life, a misstep does not define a soul. Psychology tells us that shame is one of the heaviest emotions a person can carry. Not because it says, "I did something wrong," but because it says, "I am wrong." And when debt meets shame, people don't just want to fix their finances, they want to disappear from their own story. But something quiet began to happen in her life. Not a miracle, not a sudden breakthrough, not a viral success story, just small decisions. One payment, then another. A budget that felt humbling. A lifestyle that felt smaller than her pride wanted. No one uploaded. There were no before and after photos. No celebration posts, no dramatic turning point, just persistence. And something else began to change. Not the numbers first, her posture. She stopped seeing herself as broken. She started seeing herself as rebuilding. This is where dignity is born. Not when everything is paid off, not when the past is erased, but when a person chooses to face what they owe without letting it define what they are worth. Dignity is not being debt-free. Dignity is showing up even when the story is uncomfortable. It is saying, "I made mistakes and I am still worthy of respect." It is choosing responsibility without self-hatred. It is choosing discipline without humiliation. It is choosing hope without denial. Many people are rebuilding quietly. They are paying off past decisions, healing from financial trauma, learning skills they were never taught, forgiving themselves for not knowing what they know now. They are not behind. They are in recovery. And recovery is not weakness. It is a strength that had to grow in the dark. So if you are in debt today, you are not a failure. You are a person in a chapter. A chapter that requires patience, humility, and courage no one sees. You are not your worst decision. You are the one who decided to stand again. And that is where dignity lives. Not in perfection, not in a clean past, but in the quiet choice to move forward. This is the human ledger, where money meets the human story, and where even in owing, a person can still be whole.